family and friends. Today we are going to learn how to draw a bunny. For reminders, my name is Victoria Lee. Let's get started. First, we will draw a curved straight line. All the way down. Then we'll draw another curved straight line. And then on the first ear, you'll have to erase it. Erase half of the ear, half of the top of the ear. And make it go a little curved and then down. Then you'll draw a little curve right here. Then you'll draw an oval, a big oval. We'll draw a really skinny rectangle and another really skinny rectangle. Color those in. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. Then you will draw two curvy lines and draw circular motion with a little line on it. Now you'll draw a small circular motion for the ear. Then you'll draw a small little body. You'll draw two little hands and draw the same thing for the bottom. And remember, a bunny always needs a tail. So we'll draw a little circular tail. Then we will draw a carrot. First things first, you need to draw end of the carrot. Then draw the end. Then draw some little vegetable top for the carrot. If you'd like to, you can draw some lines on it. And remember, the lines will always get smaller till the end. If you'd like to, you can draw a little basket in the Easter rabbit's hands. First things first, you'll draw the little handle of the basket. Draw a pointy sharp and then cross it all the way to the other. Make a little shape like that. You'll draw a bottom of the basket and draw a little vegetable top in there. And now we're all done. Do you like it? If you like to, you can draw these little things on the rabbit. You'll have to color in some cute little rabbit. Do you like your drawings? I hope you do. Remember, you don't always have to have it the exact drawing as me. Bye!